How often should I rotate my car tires? Tire rotation is an essential maintenance task that helps extend the life of your car's tires and ensures even wear. The recommended tire rotation interval varies depending on the type of vehicle, tire type, and driving conditions. As a general guideline, it is typically recommended to rotate your car's tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, 8,000 to 13,000 kilometers. However, it's essential to refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or consult with your car's manufacturer to get the specific recommended interval for your particular make and model. If your car has a full-size spare tire that matches the size and type of the other tires, it's also a good idea to include the spare in the rotation pattern. This will ensure that all tires wear evenly, including the spare, which is often overlooked and can become unusable due to prolonged inactivity. Regular tire rotation is especially crucial for vehicles with front-wheel drive, as the front tires tend to wear faster than the rear tires due to the weight distribution and steering dynamics of the vehicle. By rotating the tires regularly, you help to promote more balanced tire wear and maximize their overall lifespan. If you're not sure when your tires were last rotated, or if you've recently reached the recommended mileage for rotation, it's a good idea to schedule a tire rotation service with a reputable mechanic or tire professional. They can help you determine the appropriate rotation pattern for your specific vehicle and ensure that your tires wear evenly, providing better traction and safety on the road.